Hello, today I will guide you on how to quickly select and delete multiple words at once in Microsoft Word. Method 1, select and delete. Using the Alt key, open your Word document. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. Use your mouse to highlight multiple unwanted words. Press the delete key to remove all selected words. This method is useful when deleting scattered words manually. Method 2, use find and replace to remove words. Press Ctrl plus H to open the find and replace tool. In the find what box, type the word you want to delete. Leave the replace with box empty. Click replace all to delete all occurrences of the word. You will see a message confirming how many replacements were made. That's it. You have learned how to delete multiple words in Microsoft Word using either manual selection or automatic replacement. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next tutorial.